Finally, did you know that Papua New Guinea was once controlled by colonial powers, including Australia? In 1975, it gained independence, relatively peacefully compared to many nations. Today, it maintains relationships with countries like Australia, China, and the United States. Its location makes it strategically important in the Pacific, especially as global powers compete for influence. Papua New Guinea has the third largest rainforest in the world. It's home to birds of paradise, some of the most exotic birds on Earth. There are still uncontacted or minimally contacted tribes. Time feels different here. Less rushed, more rooted. If you enjoy uncovering hidden histories and untold cultures, subscribe for more. Because the world is bigger and deeper than we're often told.